everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another moving vlog. I just finished ending my last moving vlog, so this probably looks familiar to you guys. Today is Monday morning, lots of new updates. I just finished filming my like 5 outfits that I've been wearing non-stop video. You guys have probably already seen that, but right now we have to get going because I actually have to do a little like tour at my old building to just kind of like make sure that I get that security deposit back. And then I will show you guys kind of the updates, but I just wanted to quickly start off this video. And yeah, it's a Monday morning, got lots to do, got my bar stools in, so I'll show a little unboxing of that later. Hi mommy.
Hi.
Hi Amir. Moving vlog numero 3. It's so weird being back here, so empty. Wow. So I'm just doing a little walk through. Everything is all clean in here. Wow. Y'all won't see this anymore. I'm not gonna miss it though. Back home now, and it's time to unbox the counter stools. I'm gonna grab the other one. So I ordered bar stools from Eternity Modern. I just found them randomly on the internet because they made like a dupe for, I'll just show you and then I'll explain. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering, the move out like inspection went really well. I just have to go back to the apartment sometime this week, me and Amir. Actually, we'll probably do it later tonight, just so we can get it out of the way. But she said we had to take down the curtains, even though I feel like the next tenants would appreciate them, but that's none of my business. So, yeah, that's all. And then I get most of my security deposit back. Even though we cleaned everything really well, they still have to charge for cleaners, which is annoying. Oh, is it already made? Oh, I think it's literally already made. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love them. Oh my god, guys, these are so cute.
On the sideline,
oh, and the wood matches perfectly.
she must be the sunlight, shines on me.
All right, 1 counter stool. I only got 2 because the space over there, I mean, there's already like the dining table and everything in the way. I would show you, but my mom's praying in that corner. But this is what one of them look like. Let's unbox the other one. They're so cute. I know, that's why I got it. It matches perfectly. These are them. I'll show you guys once I kind of clean that area, but they're dupes for the Wishbone counter stools from Rove Concepts. I believe Rove Concepts is the one who made the original one. But I found this I think it was like $100 cheaper on Eternity Modern, and I ordered it like last week and it came today, so it came pretty quickly. A lot of shipping is delayed due to COVID, but they shipped from Irvine, which is not too far from LA, so it worked out perfectly. This is what they look like. Oh, this is comfortable. And they're cute. I love them. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, one second. Do you like them? You're gonna have to excuse Amir and his annoying YouTube videos, but let's move.
Oh, are you filming it now?
Guys, the wood on these chairs matches perfectly with the wood on the dining chair that I got, like literally perfectly. You would think they were made from the same company. Oh my god, I love them. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, they look so good. But I'm thinking I'm gonna get black dining chairs with like a cane back. So it'll be like the same color as this on the back, but then it'll be black and like with a nice cushion. So that is what the dining chairs look like. I'm obsessed with them. Wow, a concept. Let's test them out. Test out the comfortability of them. I like how light they are. These are nice. Perfect. You're comfy.
Yeah.
They're like the perfect arm length for like right here. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So I will link the the chairs that I got down below. And I'll link some similar options as well if you guys are interested. I believe Amazon has them as well, but the site that I got them from, Eternity Modern, had them for like the cheapest. So check that out. So more stuff came from Amazon. Can I pause it? Basically, let me show you guys. For the laundry room, I've been ordering so much on Amazon, it's insane. But for the laundry room, there's like, if you guys remember in the empty apartment tour, there's like this little section here. We actually just like shifted the, what's it called, the washer dryer combo to the side a little bit, and there's a section here that would be perfect for like a bookshelf or just some sort of storage to put the laundry accessories, cleaning products, all that kind of stuff. So I ordered this thing on Amazon, and I just like made sure to check the dimensions of it to see that it would fit. And it's like this 5-level organizer. So Amir's building that right now. I'll show you guys what that looks like later, and then I'm hoping that it fits perfectly in there. And then actually, let me just put this down. I'm gonna do a little bit of a Amazon haul because I got a couple more things. Actually, it's honestly not that much, but I ordered this thing. And actually the area that I live in, it's actually perfect because they have same-day shipping. So I literally ordered this yesterday morning and got it yesterday night. So I just ordered this little dish soap dispenser because the other one was clear and you could see like the blue dish soap, and I just didn't really like how that looked. So I got this marble looking one. It's not actually marble, but it is ceramic, or it's like some sort of stone, so it's nice and hard. And then it has a space for the soap over here, and then you can put your, the, what's it called? The sponge over here, and then you can put the soap in here, and it just looks really cute. So I just placed it over here, and I just love how minimal that looks. Actually, now that I think about it, I think that's the only thing that I got from Amazon. I might have ordered more, but it hasn't come yet. So I'll just show you guys once this is done and we set that all up. Thanks, Amir. Right, I meant to film the progress of that thing. But yeah, I kind of got caught up. Ooh, it looks good. Oh, I love it. Okay, perfect. That like literally fit perfectly. Yeah. So I think I'm probably gonna put my laundry stuff over here. At least that's what my mom did for now. All right, well, that worked out, and now it's much more organized. So I will link this down below. They also have a taller one. I think it probably would have gone to like up here. But that one was sold out, but I actually prefer this anyways because I'm pretty short, and anything higher than this would be really hard to get to, so it kind of worked out perfectly. So I just moved some things around so that it's a little bit more efficient, but eventually, once all the water is gone, I personally don't like using water bottles, so once we finish that, then we'll have more space. We have all of the detergent down there. Ideally, I'd want it on here so I could easily grab it. And then just a couple things have some space to fill here. This is everything to like dust, clean the floors with, and then some cleaning products and like stuff I use to spray on my clothes before I wash it. There's a plug back there. So I just plugged in the vacuum and then put it over here so that it can like, everything can stay, like all the cleaning stuff can stay in here. We're back in the old apartment because the lady said we had to take down the curtains, so we have to just do that real quick. But aside from everything else, she said everything looks clean and good to go, so I'm not gonna get charged extra, which is nice. But we're just gonna remove these guys, and then that'll be it for this place. Don't have to come back. Hello guys, today is, what day is it today? Tuesday, November 24th. We're actually en route to Santa Monica. Amir wants to pick up some new shoes. And oh my god, look, it's Kumon. Right there. Y'all, did any of y'all go to Kumon? We went to Kumon for like, I don't know, like 10 years? No, it wasn't that long.
No, I don't think so.
It was a long time. It was a long time though. I quit before Amir did, but he finished. Updates with the home, not much has changed. I did order some dining tables or some dining chairs last night, but unfortunately I got a call saying that they won't be in stock until the end of February, so I was like, no bueno, I need them now. I'm very impatient, so I'm gonna have to look for some new ones. But I have Mommy and Amir here with me as well. Y'all wanna say hi?
Hi.
Well, that's it. They have many words, obviously.
We're chilling, okay?
We're chilling.
We're just
listening
taking
to
in
me.
the sun.
Yeah, actually the sun is quite nice. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there. I think also we're gonna go out for tacos tonight. There's this really good vegan taco place called Sugar Taco. My friend Sija actually recommended it, and we ate there one day and it was so good. So I'm gonna treat them to that because it is Taco Tuesday and I don't feel like cooking, so yeah. That's what's going on. Amir, do you have anything to add?
Read a book.
What? That's it?
Yeah, just
that.
Huh?
Just read a book.
Actually, you should check out the autobiography of Malcolm X. Really good book.
Okay.
Underground Railroad, really good. Emotional Intelligence, another really good book. I'm just gonna keep giving.
It just turned into an Amir book club. But I know you guys like staring at his face, so there you go. There's some camera time. Got a new piece of furniture in. I guess, would you consider this furniture?
What?
I guess it's like an accessory. I don't know. I ordered this guy on Amazon. Whoops, it's a 3-tier over the toilet hanger or shelf. Shaht had one of these in her last place, and I just figured it would go perfect right over here because this is big open space. And for whatever reason, I thought I remembered this apartment having medicine cabinets, but then when I actually got the keys and looked at it, there was no medicine cabinet. So I just need like extra space to put, there's no like linen closet in this apartment, which is kind of annoying, but I need extra space to put like guest towels and candles and all that cute stuff. So my brother is building that for me. I truly don't know what I'm gonna do when he's gone. I'm literally just gonna hire TaskRabbit or like force I don't know, Sija's brother, or that's why I'm like such in a rush to buy a bunch of furniture, because I'm like, let it come before Amir leaves. Oh, he's so handy, thank you. But I'll show you guys what this looks like when it's done. And I'll try to link everything that I mention in this video and like all my other moving vlogs down below. But if I do ever forget something, which I likely will because I always forget to link things, then just remind me and I will show you guys. So here's a little update. We actually went to this place called Sugar Taco. I didn't really film there, but we just had some tacos. I think I was explaining to you guys that it was Taco Tuesday and I was gonna make tacos or something. Oh no, I was explaining that we were gonna go to Sugar Taco. And we did, and it was amazing. It was so good. And now we're home and we're just gonna relax for the rest of the night. Actually, I have some work to catch up on, so I'm probably gonna do that and then relax for the rest of the night, hopefully. Here is the finished product. It's a lot shorter than I thought it would be. I thought it would go like a little higher, but I think that works. I think it looks good. I think in the middle I'll probably put like the guest towels or something, but I like it. Just adds a little bit more storage, and I feel like it just kind of completes this space a little bit more. Yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know. Hello guys. It is many days later. I've already started like another vlog, but I was just importing all the footage from this one, and I realized basically all the vlog was just making Amir build things for me. There's also a lot of new things that I purchased, so I didn't want to like put this into another vlog because I don't know. Anyways, my mind is just all over the place. I've just been filming since before I moved to now, like literally every single day, and I don't know when things are like mixing and being posted and whatever, but I'm eating Somali food right now. If you guys saw in the last moving vlog, you would have seen that Sija and her mom brought over some Somali food, so I'm just finishing it up and it tastes so good. We basically just wanted to chat about my feelings with this move. I know like probably you guys even just watching us pack up the old place and like leaving the old place for the last time and all that kind of stuff. It's just a lot of memories were had in that place, you know, good and bad. Towards the end, mainly bad. So I'm feeling really just happy and just like so at peace in this new space because it's mine, and you know, I can kind of take back my power in that sense. Like everything in this place is mine, and it just feels good to like kind of start fresh and leave the past behind and grow from it and everything. And it's been really cool just having my mom and my brother kind of help me with the whole transition, and I feel like they've even just seen a shift in me and my energy. So yeah, I'm doing good, and thank you guys so much for all the love on all of the moving vlogs. I know you guys are really enjoying them, and as am I. It's really cool just kind of like bringing you in on this journey. I'm gonna end the video here, but I'm gonna try and remember to link all of the new items that I showed in this video. So like my bar stools, what else did I get in this video? That like over the toilet shelving unit, the shelving unit for my laundry room, all that kind of stuff down below. Especially those bar stools. Those are like, I don't know if they're still on sale by the time this video goes out, but they were such a good deal, and I'm just like so in love with them. Like they literally just like completed my space. They're just so gorgeous. I love them. So yeah, I thank you guys for joining me this week, and in this moving vlog there will be many more, so stay tuned. Yeah, I'm gonna continue eating my dinner. It's literally like the first meal I've had today because I've been so busy. But subscribe to my channel if you are new, join the family, give this video a thumbs up if you are still enjoying the moving vlogs, and yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.